This is for the ASMR people. Can you hear that? It's cheese. It's blue cheese. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'd like to welcome to you guys today my lovely cousins. Do you want to say what your names are?
Olivia, Julian, and Kristen.
You can follow them on Christian's YouTube channel. He does cool Pokemon videos and stuff like that. So you can go check him out on that channel. Link in the description. Today, if you couldn't already tell by the title, we're going to be making slime! I've been promising my cousins for the longest time that when we do a video on my channel, we're going to be making slime. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So if you are enjoying it so far, please give it a thumbs up and let's get started! So we have today some Elmer's glue, some shaving cream, borax, which we've already pre-mixed here, and some blue food colouring here. So we don't actually have instructions, we're just going to wing it because that's all part of the fun, isn't it? Yeah? So let's get started.
And we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, exactly. Julian, would you like to start by pouring some of the glue in, please? As we said, we're just going to wing it, no instructions here. Let's do a little bit more, shall we? Okay, that looks like enough glue. Olivia, do you want to put 1 tablespoon of this borax mixture in? Get that one? Actually, that wasn't that much, but let's just put a little bit more in. Good girl. Alright, put the spoon back. Good job. Alright, now Christian, would you like to put some shaving cream in there?
Where we go first?
This one. Hang on, let's shake it first. Go. Oh my god.
Doesn't sound very healthy.
Let's try this. Okay. Alright. Who wants to mix it?
Me.
Actually, we should all take our bracelets and watches off.
Okay.
We probably should have done that first. Alright, Olivia, do you want to start mixing that? And then as we go, I'm going to put some food colouring. Oh, that smells gross. Look at that. I'm going to put a little bit, probably only a drop or 2 of this blue food colouring.
That's too
A little bit more than a drop. Okay, that's right. Keep mixing it, Lolly. You're going to turn into an avatar now. Alright. Julian, do you want to put a little bit more glue in there? Oh, careful! Make sure you keep it all in the bowl.
She's probably going to turn into the first Willy Wonka.
Oh my god, Violet Bulgard. Do you want to put some in, Julian? Put some more glue?
What are they called?
Oh, Oompa Loompas.
Oompa Loompas.
But they're orange.
Yeah, but they've got blue toes, don't they?
I think it's purple. I don't know. Like your hand's a spoon.
Olivia,
I know, I'll pretend your hand's a
she might turn into
spoon.
Violet.
Look at this. You're a spoon. Oh, look at that.
No, we should put...
Oh, look how sticky that is.
We should put Julian's head in there and then twist him.
Oh, and you'll be a blueberry. Your thoughts? What are you thinking? Let's put some more shaving cream to make it more fluffy. There you got it on me! I mean, if you want to make slime at home, probably don't follow our recipe because we're kind of failing, but it looks pretty cool though. Julian, do you want to have a turn mixing it with her? Oh my goodness.
We'll see if it looks cool when we finish it.
Make sure it's all covered in blue. Oh, look at your hands. It's like bubble gum stuck on your hands.
It looks like blue boogers.
Oh, yuck. Ew. It's so stringy. So this is fluffy slime, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness gracious.
We can really see the slime.
Look at that. That looks cool. Oh my god. Oh, lolly. Lucky we put an old tablecloth down, didn't we? Lucky.
Sure.
Part 2. Ew. Ew.
Hardly no slime in here for me. I've got some.
Oh, look. Oh no, this is so great.
Oh god.
Oh, careful. Look at that. Oh, that's so sticky.
Oh, Jude.
Oh my goodness, Jude. Look at all of Olivia's
Look at mine.
Oh, yeah!
I'm Spider-Man. I got Spider-Man.
What's that remind me of is the end sort of scenes of Cat in the Hat with Alice Baldwin.
Oh my god, yeah, the scene from Cat in the Hat when they had the purple slime at the end of the movie.
Will you marry me, Joan?
And how he sneezes and he's like, Joan.
Wasn't it purple lava?
Yeah, like, I think it's like a slimy lava thing. Look at her head! I know my purple nails are going to turn blue. And I only just got my nails done again.
It looks like it kind of worked, but at the same time it doesn't look like it worked. Oh, I got Spider-Man!
I think it did work. What are you guys going to rate this slime out of 10 on the Kristen slime scale?
The pens
An A?
Yeah.
Olivia, what are you going to rate this slime out of 10? Out of how fun it is and how good it works, what are you going to rate it out of 10?
A 9.
A 9? That's pretty good. What about you, Krish?
I'll go about an 8.5.
An 8.5. So I think it's an average of an 8.5. I'll give you guys that. I can see why people like playing with slime. I see it. Oh, careful. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, let's end this video here before we get too messy and Auntie Lena tells us off.
I hope you give a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you ever made slime without a recipe and it worked.
Yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, what do they do?
Give a like and thumbs
Oh
up!
my goodness, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. If you want to check out my cousin's channel, link in the description below. Until next time, see you later everybody! So this is the aftermath of the slime. Update, like 15 minutes after we finished doing that video, it took us that long to take all the blue off our hands. Look, show them your hands. Oh my god, never again. Next time we'll actually get an expert, aka Tia, to come in and help us. But until then, we're not gonna make any more slime.
And see you all later!
Bye!
Putting the band back together. Forget it. No way.
We're on a mission from God.
Hey, are you guys? Oh my god.